Officer Obi? What is going on here?
Welcome to our bottom match tonight.
So this is about your bestial madness? Why did you waste your strength in these police officers' arrest when you have everything you need to blackmail me into compliance as you always do?
Well, I wanted a change of style, and don't waste your time asking me why.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Very well then. Go ahead and do your worst, because I am not ready for this madness tonight. Do your worst, shoot me. I said shoot me. Shoot! Shoot me.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.